So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can apply Snapchat filters on the gallery videos that you have been saved on your gallery. Now in order to achieve that, simply open the Snapchat on your iPhone or any phone that you have. Now simply go to the snap section and go to camera roll, where you'll find all the gallery images, videos and everything. Now here is first of all select the video that you want to add the filter to it. For example, this is the video I want. Now let me first mute this video. There we go. Now here in order to apply the filters, here on the below of the screen you will able to see all the filters that are available. I can simply swipe and add filters that I want to, and or what I can do, one thing, I can add a filter that I want to add to favorites, and you will find all the favorite filters right there on the Snapchat. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.